Hey guys, so in this video today I have kind of a serious story to tell you and maybe a little bit of a warning to offer as well when it comes to using Clickfunnels. The reason I'm telling you this story is because of what I went through and how Clickfunnels almost killed me. Using Clickfunnels, what happened was I was using a bunch of different tools when I started out online. So I knew that I needed some type of like page builder, so I was using lead pages for that. I needed some type of like email autoresponder, so I was signed up. At first, I was signed up with Aweber. Then I had to use I think it was Samcart. I had that as far as a shopping cart software, and then I had optimized. I had a WordPress website that was using an Optimize Press plugin that came with a bonus plugin called Optimize Member that had literally a billion settings inside of it. And I was getting all of those pieces to work together in order to create a sales funnel. So it was a nightmare to say the least. In order to keep track of the pages, I had to build individual pages of a sales funnel inside of lead pages. And there was no way to keep them like in folders or organized, so it kind of like made sense. So I would create a page, and that page would have its own unique URL, and I would have to copy that URL and put it into a little spreadsheet that I created just to keep track of all the funnel pages, right? And then so with my emails, I had to, make sure that my email marketing was integrated properly with lead pages, and then when someone signed up, that they got onto the right list with Aweber and that everything worked properly there. And then once they went through the funnel steps and got to the point where they got to the sales page and then like hit the buy now button, that's when they would get handed off over to my shopping cart software that would offer my stuff and take care of any upsells along the way, and then send them access to the product. Now that shopping cart software had to be tied in properly with my optimized member in order to get them the right access level that they paid for. Because if they took an upsell or didn't, that would change what level of stuff that they got access to inside the product. So using all that stuff, like I say, it was just a technical nightmare on a good day. It took a lot of work, a lot of time and effort to get it all tested and working together. So then along comes Russell Brunson and shows off Clickfunnels and shows that, oh, check this out, with like 2 button clicks, I can just go and create a sales funnel. Oh, and by the way, it's got its own built-in shopping cart features. So you can just go and create a product, load up your order page, that product's showing up for, $97, and it's live and you can go and start selling right now. Oh, and by the way, we also built in like an email autoresponder service, so you can go and collect emails and do all of your email marketing through Clickfunnels. And you can go and set up a membership website on the back end of your funnels if you want to deliver your products digitally. So when I saw that, it absolutely blew my mind. What happened was I signed up for Clickfunnels, and then I sat down in front of my computer and I started using it, and I didn't stop for the better part of 3 days. For like 3 days, I didn't sleep like maybe 2 hours out of those entire 3 days. I barely ate anything. I only stopped to like use the bathroom, and even then I can't even remember. I'm not even sure because of like how crazy it was, but I might have taken the laptop into the bathroom with me just to keep going and building funnels on there, because I would literally like build a funnel and I tried out every different type. I was like, let's build a lead funnel, let's build a sales funnel, let's build a webinar funnel, and then I would just go in and I would customize and tweak and then change stuff and then delete the funnel and then go build it again, and then I call that stage funnel madness, and that's what I went through. So if you've suffered through crappy stuff with making a lot of things work together, and you just haven't enjoyed simplicity, just be careful when you sign up for Clickfunnels, because you might get your own dose of funnel madness. So this is just fair warning from me to you. So thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.